Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number, and what's more, I will show you 2 different ways to do it. So first of all, let's open the dialer, because the very first option will be with the secret code. So let's tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another option. So it is using the settings, so we have to reach them. Let's open it. Let's go to the very bottom of the list, tap on the system, tap on advanced and choose about phone. And now, after swiping down a little, we've got the IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on model and hardware, and the serial number simply pops out. So actually, that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.